Welcome back to Founded Crypto. My name is Chase, level 1 CMT and full-time trader. Today we're going to look at Chainlink on the daily chart. We're zoomed way in here, so let's get right to it. We're having a little bit of a move down. Where could we possibly reverse? Well, we've painted this zone here. Why this zone? I'm glad you asked. Let's look at the closing prices, right? We have these low closes here, the high close, and a lot of touch points in between, right? A lot of liquidity zone. This is the clear level if we are to cool down anymore. So that's around 1150 all the way down to around the 11 mark. You have your 50-day EMA right here in the green, your 34 EMA here in the orange. So somewhere in this level, if we continue down. But Chase, is there any level, any way we could possibly reverse higher? I'm glad you asked. Yes. Where could we look? Well, I invite you to draw your eyes to Exhibit A. What is this? This is the EMA 21 in the yellow here. Also, you can see this thin purple line. That's the median Bollinger Band, right? This is more bullish by definition in this upper half of these Bollinger Bands. And oftentimes, if you want to remain bullish, you got to hold that. And I like the fact that we have double kind of support there with the EMA 21 and the median Bollinger Band right around just north of $13. So what are the odds that we hold that? I'd say better than most because we are in a substantial uptrend, right? Let's zoom out a little bit here on the daily, and we'll get to this zone in a moment. But, I've been scrolling the X, aka X Twitter, and I've seen a lot of people a little bit bearish now on Chainlink. They think it's over. It's not over. We're just starting, okay? You're mad at Chainlink, and over the past 22 days, 23 days, it's gone up 125%. If you're in the pessimistic zone at this point, I'm not sure you're Penske material, okay? You want to be my latex guy? No shot, all right? So, the throwback. Where are we going to hit? Possibly this zone, if not the 21 EMA. Let's look at history, just the recent history even. The 21 EMA, right? Let's look at it right here. The move up, start from our low in September, right? Way back in September, right? $5, and you pissed that away already, didn't you? So let's move up, bounce back to the EMA 21, hold the EMA 8, right? Follow it up. You close below the EMA 8, you should be looking right at, you guessed it, the EMA 21. There's our low wick there. If you close below the EMA 21, that's on the daily, right? That's when you can start getting into trouble. You're either likely have a local top in or you're doing some prolonged consolidation, said point here, right? About a week and a half sideways, and then Chainlink decided to wake up from its power nap of 83 years. But let's go back and find the last true bull market. I know we got to go back like Rose, we got to go back 80 some years, right? Let's look at it. But 2020 was a good spot to be looking at right here, right? So we look up at a bull run, right? And when you have, substantial breakouts, right? Look at the 21-day EMA, right? We hold right here. We hold. When we close below the EMA 8 and the 21, that's when you can get into trouble. So that's what we're looking at, right? Let's zoom forward here. Look at 2020, right? The start of prior to the pandemic and Black Swan events right here. Look at this, right? The move up, hold on the EMA 8, hold on the EMA 8, close below the EMA 8. Where do we go to? Right to the EMA 21, bounce off of that, close above, right? Hold the EMA 21. Any kind of substantial bull run, substantial bullish move to the upside, you're going to hold the EMA 21. When you start to close below the EMA 21, guess what? That's when the trouble can start to brew, right? So you want to be aware of that. That'll be true for Chainlink, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever your favorite shitcoin, altcoin is for now and the rest of history, right? The EMA 21 on the daily and weekly are massive. Learn it, be it, live it, love it. All right, so let's get back to current day. Let's get out of Rose territory and we'll get back to our new zone and a little bit lower. Let's say we break the 21. Well, yeah, where's our next zone? We've already got it painted. We already covered it. Pay attention, right? 1150 at 11. If we close below the EMA 21, that's our next likely spot, right? And what if that doesn't hold, Chase? Well, thankfully, I've painted another zone here for you, right? Our breakout level, right? Previous resistance, breakout, our massive support zone, and you hope you're this lucky to buy Chainlink this cheap again. $8.50 to just north of $8. Also, the 200 EMA, right? We shouldn't be going back below that. I highly doubt it, but it could be, if we go there sooner than later, if Bitcoin decides to, fall out of bed here, we could potentially go down this low, but this would be like kind of worst case scenario. We'll update that, as more and more videos come out, right? So for now, you don't really need to be worried about that. What you're looking at now, zoomed in on the daily, and this is what we need to be watching. two spots. If you haven't paid attention to the whole video, right, we got two spots. Spot 1, EMA 21, right? We're almost there now, right? 1320. That's where we're at right now. If you want to buy more, right, really, we should hold that. If we don't, there's a little bit more trouble brewing, and then we're going back to this zone. That will likely hold as well. So we have kind of two safety nets. So 1320, right? Jot this down on your little hamster wheel. 1320 and 1150-ish or so, 1150 to 11 area, right? Those are the two levels. So between now and the next time we talk, maybe early next week, Monday, maybe we'll do an update. Maybe tomorrow if you're lucky, if something happens, right? We'll look at that. But those are your two spots to look at for a Chainlink throwback if you want to purchase more of Sergey's children. I don't know where I'm going with that one. But that's it. Nice, short, sweet Chainlink update. Let me know if you have any more questions. Maybe we'll do some Link BTC or Link ETH chart comparisons. If we get a couple of requests there, I already got a couple, but let's get a couple more. What other altcoins do you want to see going forward? We'll start making more altcoin videos shortly as the market starts to pick up. Let me know what requests you want to see more of, less of. Let's remove your face from this damn video, Chase. How about that? Let's just zoom in on your Chainlink neon sign back there and mute your stupid face. All right, let's get to our quote of the day. Immature love says, "I love you because I need you." Mature love says, "I need you because I love you." It's a good one. A little sappy, but we'll go with that. I don't make them up. All right, quote of the day. I don't think we've covered this one on the channel, but this is a nice one, right? Family sedan. Just you can tell your wife, or boyfriend or girlfriend or husband. I'm not sexist here, but majority of you are watching are definitely male. So for the female of you can pretend, right? Family car. Tell your significant other. How about we just go with that instead of all these complexities? Family car, 500 plus horsepower. We got nice, safe brakes. Porsche Panamera, if you haven't guessed yet. It's a 4-door Porsche. So, you won't let you get your little 911 dream car. You got to plead the fifth on this one, right? Dark blue, or what is this? It looks dark blue to me, right? Tan interior, love it. Parchment, maybe we'll go with that. Or you have another option, right? She don't go for the blue. Let's go for the white, right? White is one of my favorite cars in luxury. I would go with this as luxury. It's not a supercar. Don't even go to that. It's not a supercar. Right, to supercar level, you got to get. It's just don't even bring it up. Right, it's not a supercar, but it's a nice car, luxury car. We'll go with that. 4-door Porsche luxury car with the chartreuse brakes. I love that. Love the white. Or my personal favorite that I found on the interwebs. I'm gonna go with this one because it's different. It's different. I think this is custom. I don't think this is a factory Porsche. So Panamera Turbo with the neon green brakes. I think it's like maybe this guy's right. The brakes look the same, but I think he got a custom paint job. I like it just because it's different. I don't know if I'd pick it, like if I was going to do one, but I haven't ever seen another one like that, right? That looks pretty all right. Dark green with the light green brakes. Pretty rock star. All right, Porsche Panamera Turbo. That'll wrap it up for said Chainlink video. Hopefully now know where the support levels are. All right, I'll wrap it up here. Friday, tomorrow, I don't know what we're going to do. We'll do something if you're lucky. Like this shirt. I just got this shirt. It's too damn tight. I mean, what? These sleeves have no chill in them. I'm going to have to go change before my arms fell off. I don't know about this one. I want to stretch these out. Yeah. All right. I'll end it there.